In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the title of my Wix site that appears in the Browser tab. If you want to update the text that shows in the Browser tab for your Wix site, the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. This title is important because it helps visitors recognize your page when they have multiple tabs open, and it can also support how your page appears in search results. To begin, open your Wix editor. This is where you manage the design and settings for your website. Once the editor has loaded, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Pages and Menu. This area lets you manage the pages on your site and access page-specific settings. Next, find the page you want to update. In many cases, this will be your home page, since that is often the main page visitors see first. When you locate the correct page, click the three dots next to it to open more options. This menu contains additional settings for that specific page. From the list of options, select SEO Basics. This section controls important page information that affects both search engines and the Browser tab title. After the panel opens, scroll down until you see the section labeled What is in the title tag. This is the field that determines the title shown in the Browser tab. Now edit the text in the box and replace it with the title you want. Try to make the title clear and relevant to the page. A short descriptive title usually works best because it is easier to read in the Browser tab and can look cleaner in search results as well. Make sure the wording matches the purpose of the page so visitors immediately understand what they are viewing. Once you have updated the title, the final step is to publish your site. Publishing is necessary because the change will not appear live until your updated version of the site is pushed online. After you publish, your new Browser tab title should be active. If you do not see the change right away, refresh the page in your browser. In some cases, your browser may briefly show the older version until it updates. That covers everything you need to know.